What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So the time is probably going to be like 5, but on the 11th, it's going to be 4 o'clock. So tomorrow, well, today is open house for me for school. So then, in 2 days, I will be going back to school. So then my videos are not going to come out at the exact same times I usually post them. So this might be a short video just because it's just my talk about the times, but So just wanted to let you guys know that is happening. Then yeah. Buddy. 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 Buddy doesn't want to see you. Bear bear. Bear bear. Bear bear. Bear bear. Who's a good doggy? Shy good doggy. Yes, you are. Who's a good doggy? Yes, you are a good doggy. Sure. So the time is probably going to be like 5, but on the 11th, it's going to be 4 o'clock. Should this be an hour-long video? Yeah. So this might be a short video just because it's just my talk about the times, but Buddy, listen now. How do you like that? Baby, you can see. Alrighty. This is going to be the end of the video. Well, make sure to see that subscribe button. I think it's right there. Somewhere like it's here or like right there maybe. I don't know. Click that notification bell. It might be on Buddy's face on his head. Like that. Click that like button that's on Buddy's ear. Bye.